All right, so what we're going to learn in this video today is I'm going to do a little demonstration of a concept that we're going to be studying today and tomorrow. Okay, and you're going to kind of watch a couple of videos today. So, excuse me. We're going to start with that's your class there, listed on the right side, and we're going to say that Lauren knows a rumor. So we're going to move Lauren into the category of knowing a rumor. So on day one, Lauren knows a rumor. I'm going to record that in my table. So I'm putting that in my calculator. And you guys go ahead and if you want to pause and set up those calculator pages like you did the other day so you can do the graphing with me, that would be great. So on day one person knows the rumor. Okay. So on the second day, Lauren comes in and she tells two people the rumor. So we're gonna randomly pick our two people that know the rumor or that they get the rumor. So let's see. It looks like she tells it to Victoria. And we'll spin again while I'm moving this. And Nancy. All right, so on day two, we have three people that know the rumor. So I'm going to record that in my table. Okay. Now, each one of these people is going to tell two people. All right, so that means I get six spins this time. So spin one is Ivan now knows the rumor. Kevin now knows the rumor. Diana M now knows the rumor. That was 3 spins. This is 4. Bryce now knows the rumor. So that's my 5th spin there. Lizandra knows the rumor, and this is my last spin here. And Diana M heard the rumor again, probably from 2 different people. Okay, so now let's count how many people know the rumor on day 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 people now know the rumor. Okay, so we're going to put that into our chart. So on day 3, 8 people now know the rumor. We're kind of looking at a function here and how this function is growing. Okay, so we have 8 people know the rumor, and each one of those people is going to tell 2 people. Okay, so we're going to spin the wheel again to see which random people they're going to tell. All right, so Jaden is now in the know. So that was 1. 2 is Isaac. 3 is Lauren, so somebody got back to Lauren. Okay. 4 is Jessica. 5 is Bryce. 6 is Ez. 7 is Abraham. 8 is Caitlin. 9 is Jaden. 10 is Caitlin. 11, Victoria. 12 is Bryce. And I know this is kind of a pain, but it's okay. We're trying to demo. I think we were up to 11, right? So that was 12 is Diana. 13 is Ivan. 14 is Abraham. 15 is Amina. Oh, we get to go one more, huh? So we got to do 16. And 16 is Andy. All right, so now let's count how many people are now in the know that know the rumor after this many days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 people now know the rumor. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and record that in my chart. All right, excuse me again. Okay, so let's go back here and let's go to day 5 now. And each of these 16 people get to tell 2 people, which means I'm going to have 32 spins this time. Okay, so hopefully I don't lose track. I don't know if I lost track on the last one. Hopefully you're getting the idea here. All right, so spin 1 is, we're going to try to keep going until everybody knows the rumor. So Victoria, 1. Spin 2 is Lauren. Spin 3 is Amina. Spin 4 is Anthony. That's a new one, so we'll move that one over. Okay, so Anthony was 4. Spin 5 is Angelica. Okay, spin 6 is Ez. Spin 7 is Amina. 8. Vanessa. Spin 9 is Diana M. Spin 10 is Alondra. Spin 11 is Amina. Spin 12. Amina. Everybody wants to talk to Amina. Spin 13 is Amina again. Spin 14 is Vanessa. Spin 15 is Anthony. Spin 16 is Alondra. Spin 17 is Anthony. Spin 18 Abraham. Spin 19 is Ivan. Spin 20. Got to go to 32. Is Austin. Spin 21. Is Noe. Spin 22. Victoria. Spin 23. Abraham. Spin 24. Is Angelica. Spin 25. Is Angelica. Spin 26. Is Alondra. Spin 27. Is Caitlin. Spin 28. Amina. Spin 29. Is Andy. Spin 30. Anthony. Spin 31. Is Diana U. Spin 32. Is Noe. Okay, so we got 32 spins. Let's count how many people know after day 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, so after 5 days, 23 people know the rumor. All right, let's try one more time. See if we can get those last 3 people to go over. So that way we can kind of see how this function is growing, because it's growing a lot differently than other functions we've ever seen. So we've got 23 people. Each person tells 2 people, which means that we get 46 spins this time. So hopefully in 46 spins, as soon as we get these 3 people moved over, we'll be done, okay? All right, so let's try it. Spin 1. Austin. Spin 2. Isaac. Spin 3. Lizandro. Spin 4. Abraham. Spin 5. Victoria. Spin 6. Vanessa. Spin 7. Ez. Spin 8. Robert. Spin 9. Vanessa. Spin 10. Noe. Spin 11. Vanessa. Spin 10. Or spin 11. Spin 12. Vanessa again. Spin 13. Abraham. Spin 14. Lauren. Spin 15. Anthony. Spin 16. Victoria. Spin 17. Kevin. Spin 18. Amina. Spin 19. Angelica. Spin 20. Andy. Spin 21. Zandro. Spin 22. Angelica. Spin 23. Robert. Spin 24. Abraham. Spin 25. Vanessa. Spin 26. Amina. Spin 27. Jaden. Spin 28. Andy. Spin 29. Ivan. Spin 30. Robert. Spin 31. Anthony. Spin 32. Abraham. Spin 33. Caitlin. Spin 34. Isaac. Spin 35. I don't know if we're ever going to get Avalon and Monica. Anthony. Spin 36. We only got 10 spins left. No, spin 37. Jessica. Spin 38. Avalon. Spin 39. Ez. Spin 40. Ez again. Spin 41. Kevin. Spin 42. Spin 43. Spin 44. And spin 45. Spin 46. This is our last spin. All right, so we now have, let's see, 25 people I just added to here. And then poor Monica, she's not going to hear the rumor. Okay, so we're going to go back over here to our calculator. We added 2 more, 25. I'm going to take out my extra days here. All right, so that's enough to get our function. And you notice the rumor started really slow, it sped up, and then it seemed to take forever to get those last couple of people to know the rumor. Because there was, we would assume if it would go one more day, hopefully Monica would hear the rumor too. Okay, so I'm going to set this up. I'm going to put my days here and my people on my y-axis because that's my dependent variable. And look at that curve. Kind of interesting. So we're going to see if we can get a curve of best fit here. It looks like it's growing really fast, like it could be kind of exponential, and then it flattens out. So let's see if I can remember how to do this. So menu, maybe analyze, regression. It's a menu analyze regression. Let's go ahead and start with an exponential curve and just see what happens. So it looks like it gets some of the dots, but not all of the dots. I think I can do better than that. Okay. I can play with another one. Let's see, menu, analyze, regression. I'm going to go with a power function. Yeah, a little bit better. It's hitting most of the dots, but I still think I can do better. And I saw that little function to hide. So menu, analyze. I'm going to hide those two, actually. So regression, hide the power. Menu, analyze, regression, hide the exponential. So there's one, I don't know if you caught this when you were playing with this yesterday, analyze, regression. But there's a couple more down here, okay? I think I'm going to go with this logistic one here. Look at what happened. That fits perfectly. So what this is when we have this rapid increase, it's slow, it starts slow, then it has a rapid increase, and then it finishes slow. It's like what we call a logistic equation, okay? And a logistic equation has something called a carrying capacity. A carrying capacity is the highest this function is ever going to go. Typically in the formula, it's up here in the top, which is about right for what our class size was. There's 26 people in class, and we ended up getting a carrying capacity of about 26. This isn't perfect because of the it was just data, and the graph is kind of assuming the rest of the data. But or the calculator's assuming the rest of the data. But you can kind of now see that this is a really good example of what a real life example of a logistic function. A rumor spreading is a logistic function because eventually it's going to reach the carrying capacity of whatever the site is or whatever the group is, and then it's going to stop. So there's another video for you guys to watch today, and I think you're going to answer some questions during that video.